Today we are going to learn writing for the print media, how to write for print media. First of all, let us know what is media. Media is a broad term actually, in that there are two categories, print media and electronic media. So we are going to study this print media in this year. Print media includes publication which are printed on paper and circulated in physical form, such as newspapers, books, magazines, journals, newsletters, pamphlets, etc. Since the world is exposed to electronic media, we know that print media is consistently struggling and putting efforts to exist. So it is important nowadays to write well. In the present scenario, electronic media occupies the market, and we do emails instead of writing letters. Electronic media is modern digital platform that enables users to access electronic, digital and virtual content with the help of electronic devices like radio, television, computers, tablets and laptops, smartphones, electronic communication systems, etc. Electronic media uses electronic or digital technology effectively. So in that, broadcasting and strong electronic data in the form of audios, videos, text, e-content, game consoles, graphics, etc. we use. In general, electronic media is more often used in contrast to the traditional print media. But we are focusing on print media only. So what type of this media, print media is? Let us begin. Print media, in that Johannes Gutenberg invented the printing press in the 15th century. But the earliest known form of printing was found in China before 220 AD. Printing was done on piece of paper, which is called as woodblock printing, In the course of time, printing technology has gone through several phases of change. Today, the latest printing technology is available all over the world. In that, communication through printed material is old now. And now this development made way for printing. We know that nowadays we have pamphlets, posters, graphs, periodicals, weeklies, magazines, journals, newspapers, and so on. The contribution made by print media is remarkable in that way, as it has been continuously providing a platform for transferring information, knowledge, and current affairs all over the world. So in this way, print media is there, but it is in the different form. So what includes print media? We have just seen that. And this year you are focusing on print media only. So what are the characteristics of print media? Accuracy, clarity, precision, production, circulation, responsibility and reliability. These are characteristics. Accurate असलं पाहिजे, काय जे लिहाल तुम्ही ते क्लिअर, प्रिसाइज म्हणजे थोडक्यात, प्रोडक्शन म्हणजे चांगल्या प्रकारे निर्माण केलेलं, सर्क्युलेशन सगळीकडेच ते सर्क्युलेट झालं पाहिजे आणि तुम्ही जबाबदारीने लिहिलं पाहिजे आणि खरं असलं पाहिजे, रिलायबल, विश्वसनीय असलं पाहिजे. हे सगळे प्रिंट मीडियाचे कॅरेक्टरिस्टिक्स, गुणधर्म म्हणू शकतात. So what are the fundamentals of writing? Before that, we will see what is the role of print media. So print media is that it is constantly, it keeps an eye on the current developments in the world. म्हणजे आज जगात काय घडामोडी घडत आहेत याच्यावर लक्ष ठेवून असतं प्रिंट मीडिया. It keeps readers constantly updated about the current happenings, about the people, about the society, about the education, sports, science, technology, environment, business, industry, politics, etc. काय काय येतं न्यूजपेपरमध्ये आपल्याला माहिती आहे ह्या सगळ्या गोष्टी. तर हे सगळं प्रिंट मीडिया आपल्याला पुरवत असतं. इट ऑल्सो प्रोव्हाइड्स अ प्लॅटफॉर्म फॉर इंडिव्हिज्युअल्स, एंटरप्रेनर्स, बिझनेस कॉर्पोरेशन अँड इंडस्ट्री टू ॲडव्हर्टाईज देअर सर्व्हिसेस. आधी इन्फॉर्मेशन प्रोव्हाइड करणं, नंतर ॲडव्हर्टायझिंग देणं आपल्याला माहिती आहे, हे काम आहे. व्हेन कम्पेअर्ड टू इलेक्ट्रॉनिक मीडिया, प्रिंट मीडिया इज कॉस्ट इफेक्टिव्ह अँड रिलायबल. आणि कमी पैसे खर्चामध्ये आपल्याला माहिती आहे हे प्रिंट मीडिया काम करतं आणि त्यातल्या त्यात मग ते विश्वसनीयही असतं. So what are the fundamentals of writing? We'll see. काय प्राथमिक आपल्याला गरजा आहेत किंवा काय गोष्टी असल्या पाहिजेत रायटिंग प्रिंट मीडियाच्या वेळेला. सो रायटिंग फॉर प्रिंट मीडिया हॅज सर्टन स्टँडर्ड्स, लाईक स्टँडर्ड असलं पाहिजे. ऑल द मीडिया हाऊसेस फॉलो दीज रूल्स अँड कीप टू पर्टिक्युलर स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ रायटिंग. एक स्ट्रक्चर फॉलो केलं जातं ऑल प्रिंट मीडियातर्फे. अँड कंटेंट फॉर पब्लिकेशन. सो व्हॉट आर द फंडामेंटल्स, आपल्याला काय माहिती पाहिजे प्रिंट मीडिया वापरायच्या पूर्वी. तर ह्याच्यामध्ये असोसिएटेड प्रेस स्टाईल आहे, म्हणजे सगळ्यांनी एक प्रकारची स्टाईल वापरायची आहे. ॲक्युरेसी ऑफ लँग्वेज अँड ग्रामर, दोन्ही गोष्टी अत्यंत महत्त्वाच्या आहेत, लँग्वेज आणि ग्रामर. सिम्प्लिसिटी, क्लॅरिटी, ऑब्जेक्टिव्हिटी, अतिशय सिम्पल, क्लिअर आणि ऑब्जेक्टिव्ह, स्वतःची इन्व्हॉल्वमेंट नसलेलं असं पाहिजे. ॲक्युरेसी अँड क्रेडिबिलिटी ऑफ इन्फॉर्मेशन, करेक्ट इन्फॉर्मेशन आणि एकदम विश्वसनीय असली पाहिजे माहिती, ती क्रेडिबल असली पाहिजे. त्यानंतर सब स्किल्स विच आर रिक्वायर्ड फॉर रायटिंग, काय काय आलं पाहिजे रायटिंग करत असताना. मेकॅनिक्स, स्पेलिंग अँड पंक्च्युएशन. सेकंड, ऑर्गनायझेशन, व्यवस्थित त्याची मांडणी झाली पाहिजे. थर्ड, सिंटॅक्स, म्हणजे सेंटेन्सेस चांगले स्ट्रक्चर केले पाहिजे. वोकॅबलरी. देन इडियम्स, त्याच्यामध्ये चांगले चांगले वाक्प्रचार, म्हणी, शब्दार्थ वापरले पाहिजे. देन ग्रामर, ज्यामध्ये अत्यंत महत्त्वाचं आहे. रायटिंग प्रोसेस कशी असते, गेटिंग आयडिया, स्टार्टिंग आयडियाज, रिवायझिंग, चुकीचं बरोबर डिलीट करायचं चुकीचं आणि व्यवस्थित लिहायचं. कॅची हेडलाईन्स, यूज ऑफ व्हिज्युअल्स, पेज सेटिंग आणि रिलायबल कोट्स, एवढं सगळं काय पाहिजे आपल्याला. इन addition to main skills, these are sub skills which are means required for this writing. Then types of print media, there are different types of print media. In that we have newspapers, magazines, outdoor advertising, direct mail, business cards, brochures, flyers, posters, banners. If you want to study in detail, you can go and search about all these things. For what newspapers are used? They cover a wide range of information related to fields like society, politics, arts, commerce, industry, business, sports, education, finance, environment, science, and technology. And it also includes newspaper reports, editorial columns, views, advertisements, etc. So this is all about newspaper. So standard newspaper, you can read Times of India. Magazines are periodical, generally categorized as popular magazines. In that scholarly magazines are there, sport magazines are there, business, trade magazines are there. So you know that magazines are generally attractive, having articles, images, advertisements also. So you can look into some business magazines also for your study. Then outdoor advertising, third is, in that outdoor advertising means out of home advertising that reaches the expected customers, consumers. So there are different types of this outdoor advertising, such as point of scale displays, stall, you have then billboard advertising, street advertising on buses, trains, telephone booths. You know that you see those posters where you have such type of advertising, all in the form of picture or some text. Then the fourth one, direct mail. So many business establishment use electronic mail, emails such as direct mail. In that companies use electronic mailing system in that email to make direct contact with customer, and such kind of direct emails are generally followed by phone calls to the customer for proper follow-up or promotion. So this way it is very important one in business sector. Moreover, you need to know business cards. In that it is very important. It is printed in a small size, handy card. बिझनेस कार्ड आपल्याला आपल्या असतं जेव्हा बिझनेस करतो त्यावेळेला. बिझनेस कार्ड जनरली कंटेन द नेम ऑफ इंडिव्हिज्युअल, डेझिग्नेशन, कंपनी नेम, लोगो, ईमेल, टेलिफोन, फॅक्स, मोबाईल नंबर्स, company website, etc. So such type of card can help you to tell something or everything about your company and business. Business card tells that company's culture, ethics and values. So you can get business cards by searching or surfing. Then brochures. Brochure is a piece of paper providing information in the form of leaflet or template or pamphlet. So it contains that standard information about an organization. So in that you have logo, tagline, brief and bulleted information about very important message. So brochure are used for advertising. Then flyers. Flyer is an advertisement printed on a single or folded piece of paper. It is distributed in a public place or handed over to an individual or can also be sent as an email. So flyers are like your that leaflet only. So it is usually has a message printed on about an event. So one should draft a flyer very skillfully in that, making it short and precise. Then posters. There is an essential difference between a flyer and poster. A flyer is a mini poster which might be printed or emailed, whereas posters are large in size with eye-catching visual designs, colors and images. Generally posters are used to promote a brand, create awareness about a brand or create an image of a company of the public. There are different types of posters, in that political poster, show poster, fashion poster, brand awareness poster, informative poster, movie poster, campaign poster, etc. Banners. Banners means a banner is a printed piece of cloth or vinyl flex, you know, that having a logo, symbol, slogan and message to be conveyed to the public. Banners are printed in different sizes and shapes, and advertisement made on banner is different to that on poster. It is generally that image based rather than text based. So in this way we have studied print media, we have compared print media with electronic media, and we have studied all the types of print media, then fundamentals of print media, and even skills, sub skills which are required while using print media. So with this you can now go for all the examples given here for print media. So let's stop here.